Hi, I'm Martin from Statewide Appliance Spares. Today, we're going to troubleshoot a leaking washing machine. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you unplug your washing machine from the power source before attempting any repairs or maintenance. Washing machines are also very heavy appliances and can tip over, so get someone to help you if you need to move or tilt the washing machine. First thing to check is to make sure your machine is on level ground. If your machine's not on level ground, it could rock about on the floor and cause the seal to leak at the front of the machine. A good way to check is with the use of a spirit level like this one, to check to make sure your machine is level in all directions. Next, we check the door seal. Check for any dirt or debris and use a clean cloth to clean any dirt or grime from the seal. Check the seal to make sure you have no splits or damage. If you have any splits or damage, this seal will need to be replaced. Next thing to check is your drain pump filter. Open the small door at the base of your machine and check that the pump filter is tight. Now it's time to check our hoses for leakage. You may find leakage around the inlet hose. This could happen both at the machine or at the other end where it connects to your tap. If you do, remove these and check that the seal is clean or not damaged. If it's damaged, you may need to replace this rubber O-ring. Then replace this back onto your machine and retighten. You may have some leakage from your outlet hose. Remove the outlet hose and check for any splits or damage all the way to the base of your machine. You may like to check to see that you haven't got any blockage inside the hose, and a small torch is useful for this. You may find that you have some leakage from internal hoses inside the machine. You will need to remove the top cover from your machine. Most machines will have two screws located at the back towards the top of the machine, and these will need to be removed. Once the screws are removed, you will need to slide the top lid backwards and remove from the machine. The next step is to inspect internally any of the hoses to make sure they're not split or leaking. If they are, these will need to be replaced. It's also a good idea to check the inlet valve to make sure that there is no leaking around the valve. If there is leaking in this valve, these are very simple to replace. Now it's time to replace the lid back onto the machine in the same way as you removed it, and replace the two screws at the rear of the machine. If you've tried all of these steps and your machine is still leaking water onto the floor, it's now that you may need to call a service technician to have a closer look at your machine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more handy videos.